New technology that connects the world. Cross-device targeting. People have different interests, and as a result, they want to see different ads. We have the ability to show customized ads that match each individual's interests through their mobile phone. How is this possible? For example, by analyzing mobile data of people visiting a golf course, or golf club purchases made at an online shopping mall, or searches for golf courses on car navigation systems. We can serve golf-related ads. We analyze all this data to match the right ad with a right target. But it doesn't end there. At home, we can also connect the mobile phone to the television and deliver targeted, relevant ads. Whether people are watching a variety show, drama, news, or any other programming, or whatever hobby or interest they may have, we can display the right ads based on people's individual interests. This is new technology that connects the mobile phone with the TV. We call it cross-device targeting. New technology that connects the world. Cross-target.